Gently close your eyes. You can leave them open if you feel more comfortable. Just ask yourself, how can I make myself feel at ease, feel safe, feel supported? Maybe feel the support of your chair or bed. Feel the physical support. Feel that you can trust your space. You can let go of control. You can trust yourself in this practice. And let go of any expectations from yourself. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to feel a certain way. You can just be what you are, who you are. And let's release any tension from our head, your neck, your throat. Let your shoulders relax naturally. Let your belly be soft. Relax your legs and arms, your back. Let your body release any unnecessary tension that you've been carrying. With every exhale, you release some tension. With every inhale, you invite your attention inwards. Every inhale is a chance to become more attentive towards your inner state. Every exhale is a chance to let go and relax more. Maybe notice how your body is breathing. With your kind attention, notice how your body is breathing. Naturally. Your attention is kind, non-judgmental. Just gather your attention inside. Take your attention from the future, from the past, to this very moment. And just notice how your body is breathing in this very moment, right here, right now. No need to control anything, just observing. Just being there for yourself. Great. And now please think about a situation in your life that is difficult, that is causing you stress. Call the situation to mind and see if you can actually feel the stress and emotional discomfort in your body. Just notice how your body is reacting to the thoughts of this situation. Notice any tension that arises, any discomfort. Just acknowledge it. It's okay. And now say to yourself, this is a moment of suffering. It's okay. Suffering is a part of life. I'm not alone. We all struggle in our lives. Now you can put one or two hands on your chest, at the center of your chest. And feel this physical touch. Just feel your hands touching your chest. And how your chest is rising and falling underneath your hands. Maybe feel the warmth of your chest, the warmth of your hands. Feel this connection to your heart. The source of your loving kindness and compassion. Feel this physical connection. Feel the emotional connection. Find the source of your loving kindness and compassion. Great. And now say to yourself, may I be kind to myself. May I give myself the compassion that I need. May I learn to accept myself as I am. May I be strong. May I be patient. And you can say your own words, what you need to hear right now, what you need in this given situation. Just wish these things to yourself. I give you a minute for this. Great. Now just notice your inner state. Just observe it. What has changed? What is changing right now? How your body is feeling? What feelings arise? How your mind is feeling? You can finish by expressing some appreciation and gratitude to yourself for showing up for yourself, or just doing this practice. And if it feels right for you, you can send yourself an inner smile. If it naturally expresses with the outer smile, you can smile too. And whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes.